Hi! In this video, I will show you how to easily expose any web service running in Google Colab. Let's get started. As an example, the Dask dashboard, which is one of the important tools in data management, runs its dashboard on port 8787. As you can see, it is running on the local Google Colab machine, which we cannot access from our remote browser. So, in order to access this web service, we will use a free and interesting service called LocalXpose. It helps with port forwarding the service to a remote IP address using a technique called reverse proxy. But first, you need to create an account on the LocalXpose service and activate it to get an API token, which we will use in Colab. You can find the sign-up link below in the description box. Once you activate your account, you can easily get your access token from the dashboard, just like I'm doing here. Then copy that token and go back to your Colab project. Now, we will install the LocalXpose Python library and the Dask library to perform our example. After that, we will import them into our project. Here, we run a Dask cluster so we can get a web dashboard as an example use case. As you can see, the dashboard is running on port 8787. And as you can see, the dashboard is not accessible from my browser because it is running locally on the remote Colab VM machine. This is where the LocalXpose service comes in to solve this issue. First, we need to set the port that we want to expose to the internet. Then, we use the access token that we got from the LocalXpose dashboard as explained previously. After that, we can run the simple cell which will connect the Colab VM machine to the LocalXpose service. This will provide us with a link that allows us to access the web service running on Colab. You can also list all the HTTP tunnels created between your Colab machine and the LocalXpose service. Additionally, you can stop them using these simple commands. Finally, you will find all the necessary links, including this Colab notebook example, in the description box below. Don't forget to support this video with a like and a subscription. Thanks for watching.